Students, how are you? I hope you all are in pink of health and doing study work at your home. Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazaar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of Social Studies, and in today's video, we are going to do the third exercise of chapter 4, My Home. So students, in our previous video, we had covered the first and second exercises of this chapter, and in today's video we are going to do the third exercise of this chapter. Okay students, so the third exercise of this chapter is answer the following questions. Okay students, answer the following questions. So students, in our previous videos I had explained this chapter to you, and I had taught you that what is a house and the importance of house, different parts of a house as well, and the different rooms in a house we use for the different things. Okay students, is that clear? So now we are going to do the third exercise of this chapter. So what is our chapter name, students? Our chapter name is My Home. Chapter 4, My Home. Okay students, so shall we start now students? So the third exercise is answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Okay, so here some questions are given and you have to write their answers. Okay students, so here some questions are given related to this chapter, what you had already learned. Okay, and you have to answer these questions. So let us start to giving answers to these questions. So the first question is, why do we need a house? Why do we need a house? So students, you tell me, why do we need a house? Can you tell me students that why do we need a house? We need a house to live in. We need a house to live in. House is very important for us. So why house is very important for us? Because it protects us from the climate change, dangerous animals, etc. Is that clear students? So the answer of first question is, we need a house to live in. Okay, repeat after me students. We need a house to live in. Okay, so move ahead. The next question is, name the different rooms in a house. Name the different rooms in a house. Okay, so I had already taught you students that about the different rooms in a house. So I hope you remember what all I have taught you. So can you tell me students that what are the different rooms in a house? Can you tell me the name of there? Okay, so The different room in a house are bedroom, kitchen, drawing room, bathroom and dining room. Okay, so these are the different rooms in a house. So repeat after me, students. Bedroom, kitchen, drawing room, bathroom, dining room. Okay, so move to the next question, students. The next question is, your parents are cooking dinner. In which room are they? So the third question is, your parents are cooking dinner. In which room are they? So if your parents are cooking dinner, so in which room are they, students? So where do we cook food? Do you know where do we cook food? I have told you in our previous video, students. We cook food in the kitchen. So if your parents are cooking dinner, so definitely they are in the kitchen. So the answer of this question is kitchen. Okay, answer of this question is kitchen. Now move to the next question. In which room do you have a bath? So students, can you tell me in which room do you have a bath? Do you remember? I have already told you, students. We have a bath in the bathroom. We have a bath in the bathroom. Okay, is that clear, students? So come to the next question, and the next question is, Amit's mother friends have come to meet her. She is having a bath. In which room will Amit ask her friend to wait? So repeat again. Amit's mother friends have come to meet her. She is having a bath. In which room will Amit ask her friends to wait? Okay, so here Amit's mother's friends are have come to meet her, and his mother is having a bath. So in which room Amit will ask them to wait? Okay, can you tell me, students? If our guests are have come to visit us, so in which room we ask them to wait? Do you remember? I have told you in our previous video, students. Yes, we ask them to wait in the drawing room. Okay, so drawing room is the correct answer of this question. Okay, so students, let's revise these questions once again. Okay, so the first question is, why do we need a house? Repeat after me. We need a house to live in. We need a house to live in. Okay, students? Now come to the next question. The next question is, name the different rooms in a house. Name the different rooms in a house. So I have told you earlier, students, the different rooms in a house are bedroom, kitchen, drawing room, bathroom and dining room. Okay, so come to the next question. The next question is, your parents are cooking dinner. In which room are they? So we cook food in the kitchen. So if our parents are cooking dinner, so they are in the kitchen. So the answer is kitchen. Okay, repeat after me. Kitchen. Okay. Now the next question is, in which room do you have a bath? In which room do you have a bath? So we have bath in the bathroom. We have bath in the bathroom. Okay. So the last question is, Amit's mother's friends have come to meet her. She is having a bath. In which room will Amit ask her friends to wait? So the answer is drawing room. Okay, we meet our guests in the drawing room. So is that clear, students? I hope you understood. So here a homework for you all. You all have to write these question answers in your PC copy and learn them. Okay, students? So you have to write question answers in your PC copy and learn them all. Okay, students? So this is the homework for you all. Okay, so I hope you understood, and please keep in mind what all you have learned today, students, and complete your homework. So bye bye, take care of yourself. See you in the next video, students.